And here we are, Sunday, best day of the week, Sunday roast. On this occasion it won't be a Sunday roast because we are doing the beef in the slow cooker. So it is a slow cooked beef joint with all the trimmings. So looking forward to this.
First, put the beef joint into the slow cooker. Then, cover it with boiling water. Next, peel and roughly chop one onion. This will be added to the slow cooker to flavor the stock to make the gravy. Then, add the chopped onion and one beef stock cube to the slow cooker. Now, you can prepare your vegetables that you will be having with your meal, but make sure you keep the peelings as you will need them. For my meal, I have chosen carrots and swede, which I will boil together and then mash them. Place into a pan of salted water. Next, add the vegetable peelings to the slow cooker and stir. Then replace the lid and cook for 3.5 to 4 hours per 1 kilogram. Very carefully, remove the beef joint and place it onto some tin foil. Wrap it in the foil and set aside to rest. Now, strain the stock through a sieve. And add 3 heaped tablespoons of gravy granules, stir, and place the pan onto your cooker for heating and thickening. So, now I have everything ready to cook my Sunday dinner. And here is the finished meal. That was delicious.